Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll guide you through a comprehensive tutorial on how to make a sticker in Snapchat. Creating your own stickers can add a personalized touch to your snaps and make them stand out. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Snapchat on your device. Look for the familiar Snapchat app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. By default, the app will open to the Explore section, which is the camera section. Take a picture by tapping the capture button at the bottom center of the screen. Step 3. Tap on the scissors icon located on the top right side of the screen. Step 4. A toolbar will appear at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Draw button, and then use your finger to circle the thing you want to make a sticker out of or color it in. Step 5. Once you're satisfied with your drawing, tap on the Done button. A minimized version of the sticker will appear on the screen. Position it wherever it suits you on your snap. Step 6. If you want to add text to your sticker, tap on the text icon and enter the song's name or any other text you desire. Position the text wherever you need it. By following these simple steps, you can easily create your own stickers in Snapchat, adding a personal touch to your snaps and making them more unique. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.